up, gamers? Gamer Girl here, and welcome back to Heavy Rain. So, okay, I'm paused now because I didn't want anything to happen while I was paused. So, we're here now. I don't know why, we're playing as the girl here. Do we go? Where do we go? In the, they said he was coming out of the alleyway, right? Did we know Ethan was gonna be here? No, that's not. Where do we go? Here? I guess towards, yeah, the car. This is the is this the, yeah, that is the alleyway.
She's going inside. She lives there. Most just as well. We don't want anyone hanging around if Mars comes out.
Ethan, what happened?
Oh, yeah.
They're out there. I think they're here to arrest you.
Don't mind me, I just cut off my finger. So, yeah, that's what happened last time. Cut off my pinky.
What's he up to in there? Wait for a go on my word.
Camera angle's being weird. I lost what she said. What do I do? Here?
They're still out there. You've got to find another way.
Oh, I've got to find a way out. Okay.
Can't get out that way.
We can't there, it's blocked off. The frickin' door closed behind us. Is there literally any other way? Oh, the camera angle, I cannot. It just flashes and it's like, oh, where am I now? Boosh! Damn. Hey, back door. Oh, gross. Rats. Oh, is that just a closet then? Well, shoot. I don't think there is any other way to get out. Don't let me just walking into the walls here. Oh, I see the outside. Come on. Yeah. Okay. You might want to move out of the way there. No, frickin' Jesus. Let's try that again. Hold my controller up so I can do the right motion this time. Yeah. Go. I'm doing it. Why is it not doing it? Controller, register, please. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way. There we go. Okay. Game's being very generous with the time. Freaking controller.
Shit. It's too high.
Grab that box. That box that you just pushed over. You can climb on it. Or not. Use a plank to climb on it? The couch. Something. You can climb on literally any of these. Here we go. Sure, that. Literally the heaviest looking thing in here. It's really messing with my perception with those guys down there. Like, they're literally... Oh, Christ.
Stay here, Jason. Out of the question. I'm coming with
Oh, boy. Okay. I need to hurry.
It's a go.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, God. Friggin...
Come on, let's go this way.
Alright, hurry. They are right by the door. Come on. I took my sweet-ass time with that, unfortunately, and they are right there. I need to hurry with these actions. Go, 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 go! Okay, now I need to get my ass out there. Woo! Oh, just in time! Goddamn! Peace! Oh shit, they're checking. Oh! Shit!
Come on, quick.
Yes, you can. It's just a finger. It's not like your leg is broken. Oh, Jesus.
Lieutenant,
That's,
there's a man and a woman exiting the alley. Woman? Shit. It's that girl who went in. Everybody downstairs. They're in the alley. Follow them.
there. Okay, we gotta go there.
Subway.
Oh, Christ. Where are you gonna go across the freaking street here? Alright, this is fine. You at least is backed up. Just get through the cars. Oh, God, the perception on this. Christ. Just come on. Come on now. Ugh. Oh, quit the beeping. It's not like you're moving. Woo! Okay. This is very stressful how slow it is. Like, come on, Ethan. Your leg's not broken. You can move a little quicker. Oh god, a crowd? Are you serious?
Ethan, what's
Oh no, oh no.
going?
Get your ass up!
Coming.
Alright. Yes, we know. Crowds are a big problem. Just blaze through. Just push, shove, out of my way, out of my way. Get the F out of my way. Here, open. There, go. No, come on. Oh, no, come on. Do it, come on. Oh, Christ, they're coming. Come on, hurry. I do not care about any of you. Get the F out of my way. You better not. Oh, where am I going now? Here, go. Just go somewhere away from here. God damn it, get out of my way! Come on. Where am I? Where did I go? There I am. I lost my character for a second. Jesus, why with the camera angle? Get out of my way! Oh my god, are you serious? Christ almighty, man. Oh my god, oh my god. Wait, what? There was an action there. I'm sorry. What was that? Hey, get the from my way.
Quick, Ethan, quick, he's gonna hit us.
Why did we go down here? Get up. Oh god. Okay, alright. We need to go. Go now. Up. Come on! Ah! Holy shit!
We gotta get on that train, Ethan.
Let's go! Let's get a move on! Okay, good. Thank God. Oh, thanks, sweet baby Jesus. Ah. God damn, that was stressful. Frick. We made it, though. We made it. We escaped the police. God damn. Alright, and back to playing as Ethan. Sweet. Woo! Okay. Cool. Get a little bit of cool down time here.
Less than an hour ago, we heard from the police who have identified the man thought to be the origami killer. Ethan Mars, father of the kidnapped victim Sean Mars, is on the run and should be considered armed and dangerous.
Armed?
The police manhunt is now underway, and they hope that they will soon be able to announce the apprehension of this dangerous lunatic.
Christ, okay.
I brought some food. I didn't know what you liked, so I brought some of everything. I hope that's okay.
Cool, man. I like almost all kinds of food. Police? Police.
No, I think we lost them. The guy at the desk there, he gives me the creeps. I don't trust him.
Yeah, I don't trust him either.
You roll off of the news reports, Ethan.
Yeah, I saw.
Every cop in the country will be using you. They say you're the origami killer. Is it true?
I don't know.
Are you the killer, Ethan?
At this point, I'm not sure. Confide, break, confide? I don't know what that word means. Apparently, it just means ignore. All of those options seem bad.
I sometimes have these blackouts. Times where I don't know what I'm doing.
We'll be out in the rain
As if I'm
by a crime scene with an origami in my hand.
the only thing I remember afterwards is the bodies. Bodies in the river.
Chopped off my own finger.
I think my other self is testing my love for Sean. He wants to know if I love my son enough to save him. That means at some
I
point
think he's already dead.
Sean is. The only way to find him is to go through these trials.
Why can't you tell that to the police?
Because they wouldn't believe me, and they'd arrest me. Because they think I'm a.
Drowned his victims and has kidnapped his own son. They'd never let me go, and I have to stay free to save Sean.
Yeah.
I have no choice. I'm his only chance. If Sean is out of danger, I'll turn myself in, but not until then.
Well then. I mean, that seems pretty alright. Yeah, I mean, I can see that.
You're destroying yourself.
Fight me, I can. As long as I don't make a mistake. Me, the player. With my goddamn button holding.
There has to be another way.
Then how? Unless you can provide to me another way, there is not another way.
I have no choice.
I think it's already gone, man. To be so honest, with those video files, it was already like up here.
Please, Harrison. Please. Forget everything that's happened. There is nothing more you can do for me.
Damn, alright.
If you want to help me, please. Leave me to do this on my own.
Just don't get yourself killed, alright? I mean, I should be telling that to myself. Okay. Awkward. Welp. What now? You just gonna sulk? No, get your ass up. Well, shoot, man. You don't want to waste time. Let's get on to that fourth trial. Alright. Number 4. What have we got here? Are you prepared to kill someone to save your son? Brad Silver, blah blah blah. Send a picture, get your reward. Kill him. I'm sorry, what? I have to murder. That's what the gun is for. Oh, I see. Oh, no. Who are we killing? Oh, Christ. Oh, my God. Oh, hopefully it's someone we don't know. That'd be bad. Shit. I'm playing piano. Well, R2. Shit. I pressed R2. Whatever. There's no consequences. Ooh. Oh, this is lovely. Oh my god. This is as stressful as playing actual piano. So many ways that need to move your fingers. Ooh, I almost messed up on that one. Shit. Fine. Everything's fine.
Your vodka, sir.
Thank you much. Ooh, that's a nice glass. For a vodka? Ooh.
You look preoccupied. You don't mind my saying so. Problems with the investigation?
Yeah, you can say that.
Blake is convinced that Mars is the killer.
Not you. I thought there was some evidence to that effect.
That's true. But it just doesn't make sense.
My face has got a blue glow on it because of the glasses.
Doesn't fit. Neither does the geolocal
Which it hasn't before, but maybe it's because the lighting is weird, I don't know.
Drowning 8 victims and kidnapping his own kid. Mars is not the origami killer.
I mean, I don't even know anymore, man. With that schizophrenia.
I haven't the faintest fucking idea.
Maybe you should review the evidence in your possession.
That's just what I was thinking of doing.
I mean, I've got my freaking technology glasses on, might as well.
One last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you know what. Very dangerous.
Oh, you mean my freaking
I'm trying to keep
sniff
going.
drug in my test tube?
That's difficult.
Yeah, what the hell is that?
It's more and more difficult.
He'll end up killing you if you're not careful. That would be most unfortunate.
Are you like my personal butler or something? Is this my house? Like, how do you know all this? Unless I mean, obviously I told it to you, but who are you to me? Oh, we're in the it shows our desert scene. So, you gotta do another one of these? Alright, well,
Well,
Wait,
wow.
what are you different?
Looks like there's something new.
There is.
Recording from near the park on the afternoon Sean Morris disappeared. I doubt there's anything on it, but you never know.
Check it out. Why not? Yeah, let's analyze that.
The Chevrolet model corresponding to the tire prints passed at 1602 heading for the park, when in the opposite direction at 1637. That could fit the time that Sean Mars disappeared. Bill's car.
Possibly. Geoanalysis. Nothing. Damn. What, there's no, like, data be like, here's the park where he disappeared. Like, no locations? Okay. Tire tracks. We already looked at that, didn't we? Unless there's something new to it. Origami. Orchid. These are all the same.
Pity we can't see the driver's face.
If only it were that easy. Analyze. Owner Philip D.
Car was
Campbell.
stolen. Let's see. A certain Jackson Neville was suspected of stealing it, but the charges were dropped. Not enough evidence.
Damn. I really doubt there's gonna be a geo-analysis, but you never know. Nope, nothing. Damn. Ooh, what is this? No, that, other way. ID card.
Jackson Neville, aka Mad Jack, involved in several cases of buying and selling stolen vehicles. Considered to be very dangerous. This guy might have provided the killer with a car. It's
Perhaps.
a pretty slim lead, but it's all I have right now.
Yeah, I mean, it's something. Oh, and that's just it then. Were we just in a piano bar? I guess the time skip happened. That was kind of weird. Oh shit. You're getting a nosebleed there, buddy.
Oh, one last thing, sir.
Oh, Jesus.
You should be careful not to overindulge.
Oh.
Very dangerous.
Shit, it's coming. Trypticane. The tube is on the bedside table. All I
Trypticane.
need is to take some, and the pain will go away.
Jesus, well, shoot, alright,
This is gonna kill me. I know I can resist. I just need to stay in control and do something until it goes away.
yeah, no, let's not kill you. Oh, God, what is this? Oh. Sit down on the bed. Just chill. Yep, fidget in the fingers. Just do anything but take that vial. I do not want you dead, my dude. There's a wine over here. Or, alcohol. Whiskey, something. That's probably not good for your health too, but you know, it's better than that drug. No, we don't. Damn, I didn't want you to throw it! Alright. Oh, shit. Can you go away, please? Ooh, what's that? Sure, lamb. What? No, what? No, what? That's not productive, dude. Here, kitchen, eat some food. Go, come on. not go into the kitchen? No, yes I can. Oh, that's the bathroom. Sure, go in. Can I not go in? No, I cannot. Cool. Ugh. So I guess I'm just limited to this space then. Yeah. Guessing by that means I can't go. Here, that. Sure. Oh, shit. I messed that up. Ah, frickin' Jesus. What, so that's just not an option anymore? Oh, Christ. Okay. I mean, could I just stand still? I don't know if that would do anything. Can I... Is there nothing I can do? God, oh my god, this is so awkward to control. He's so wobbly! Stop! I mean... stop. Back away. So if I just stand still, he just automatically walks towards it. Okay, I mean, there's probably something else on the nightstand, but I don't want to go near it. Because he might frickin' grab the vial. Nah, stop. Stop it. You must resist. You don't need it. You don't need it. Look at me. Look at me. You don't need it. No, 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 no. Come on, man. No, throw it. Get out of here. Get it out of here. Throw it out the window. Where's our window? Over here. Throw it out. Get it out of here. Can I not? I want a window. Go away. God dang it. Okay, window. Can I not throw it out the window? Oh, come on, man. Stop with this nonsense. Okay, just, come on. Give me something, man. Go away, Forrest. Don't. No! Oh, come on, man. God damn it. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, no. Please don't die. Was I not supposed to throw it out the window? Oh, my God. Is he dead? I really hope not. It said it could kill him, but that doesn't mean it... I don't know if I messed up. I really hope he didn't freaking die from that. I said throw it. I thought I meant throw it out the window. I probably could have... the bathroom. I probably could have washed it down the sink. Son of a bitch. Oh, I really hope I didn't mess up bad there. Almost forgetting the best possible ending. But you know what? At least that's a little better than freaking how I messed up with Ethan. The electricity.
Anybody home?
Hello? Who are we looking for exactly? Oh, there's a person. Hello.
Hi there, man.
What's up?
Who is it? Scott. Scott Shelby. You remember me?
No, we know each other.
Scott? This is Scott. Oh, yes, of course. Well, good to see you.
Aw, old man.
Has it been? Oh, about 10 years, I guess.
Damn.
My age, time means nothing anymore.
Aw.
I repair clocks, but I try to forget about time. How about you? Are you still with the police? Oh, no, I quit. I'm a private investigator now. This is Lauren. She's a friend.
Hello.
Hello, young lady. Well, this calls for a celebration.
Heh.
Just a thing. Wait there. I'm sure I saw a bottle of scotch around here somewhere.
Sweet. Just doing a little catch-up time. Oh, I'll get that. Is it?
Oh, man, a favor, would you, Scott? Tell me to call back this afternoon.
I saw the option. Friggin', give me the, there it is. Oh no, that's just a look. Okay, wait, no, where, oh, wait, I saw myself. Where is it? Where'd it go? Friggin', okay, wait, perception. Ah, frick. Where? Who? What? Oh, wait, no, there it is.
Don't bother, I'll get it.
No, I got it. Shit. I have to go behind the. Okay, thank you. God.
Yes, this is Manfred, but he's not available.
God, I'm
I'll
terrible.
go back this afternoon.
You'd think by now I got used to the walk cycle. My bad. Shit. God damn, I'm terrible. So these are all just look-arounds. What, can't interact with anything. I guess so, okay. Just looking at a bunch of stuff. Damn, that's a lot of clocks. Well, I mean, he does repair clocks for a living, so, you know. God damn, friggin' screw you, phone. Screw you. You know, at least I didn't have any consequences, unlike, you know, me sniffing up the drug. Ooh, it's ready. Sweet.
To old friends.
Hell yeah, man. Letter.
I'd like you to have a look at an envelope. I thought maybe you could tell me about the typewriter that was used to type the address on it.
Do it, please. Thank you.
Could you pass me the magnifying glass from behind the counter?
Oh, sure, I'll get it.
My eyes are beginning to fail me.
Goddamn behind the counter. Behind this counter? Yep. Now I knew where to go. My perception was going all effed. I feel like, the FBI dude didn't die because I feel like it would be a lot more dramatic. I mean, it was already dramatic as it was, but like, I mean, a lot more dramatic. Be like, hey, you killed him! Congratulations! Well, not congratulations, but you know. Anyway, envelope.
That's the shape of the T's and
You
the
repair
S's.
clocks. How do you know so well about typewriter? You know what? Whatever.
Produced between 1907 and 1924. No doubt about it. It's a royal file.
Cool. Thanks, man. How does that help us? Rare?
These typewriters, are they rare?
No, they're fairly common.
Great.
I'd say many folks have one gathering dust in an attic or in their cellar.
Clients?
Do you keep a record of all your clients?
Yes, indeed. Well, at least the ones who pay.
Any chance I could get a peek at that?
Yes, of course. I keep my account books in the office. If you're not in a hurry, I have a list of all the clients who ever bought a Royal 5 or had one repaired.
Yeah, that would really help.
No, so I guess your main thing is clocks.
Delighted to help. Give me 2 minutes.
I mean, you also do,
Right back.
typewriters, I guess. Cool. Thanks, man.
You think the killer's been here?
If he has a 1920s typewriter, he may have needed Manfred's services to get it fixed. We'll know when we get the list.
Yeah. At least I hope we will know. Oh, that's cute. It's getting very loud. Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave it here. Oh my god, I really hope I didn't, like, actually kill the frickin' FBI person, which I still can't remember his name, and it's even worse not coming to me now, because, you know, new recording stuff's and all that whole week has passed. But I really hope I didn't kill him. If I did, God knows I'm gonna go back. But, I mean, I won't know until, you know, I get farther, and it's like, because, like, I'll get farther, and then I'll be like, I don't even know. I mean, I guess I might be able to maybe I'll be able to tell if I killed him or not, you know, when I progress in the game. I'll know for certain that I definitely didn't kill him if, you know, I switch characters and it shows him. But that would really freaking suck if I did kill him. Like, god damn it, I didn't know I could have. I wandered into the bathroom too, or I tried to. Like, I figured, like, no, that wasn't an option, like, at all, because it didn't let me in there. But I guess it didn't let me in there yet. Like, I figured, like, he said throw it out. I was like, oh, throw it out the window. But it was like, no, you can't access the window. So it was like, well, frick, I guess the sink was the other option, but I ran out of time. So yeah, that was fun. I really hope I didn't kill him. That would suck. I mean, I'd probably go back anyway. But anyway, I'm gonna be here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.